Hello and welcome to the PC Security channel. Odd setting for a video. Unusual setting for TPSC video. Hello and welcome to the PC Security channel. Unusual setting for a video. Yeah, I know. Feels weird being away from the Windows screen too, but I'm stuck at an Airbnb, so I gotta do what I gotta do, right? So it turns out I'm going to the first Bulletin World Conference in London later this week. So first of all, if you're coming, don't be shy, come and say hi. Secondly, there's going to be a lot of big players from the cybersecurity industry there. A lot of people from AV companies, AV testing organizations. I've already got a meeting scheduled with the CEO of AV-Comparatives. Woo, look, cool train. So if you have any questions about the future of cybersecurity, specific products, or anything really, just post them in the comments of this video. I'm planning on making a final video of the event, so I'll take the most upvoted questions and try and get them answered for you. Besides that, there's a lot of exciting stuff coming up on TPSC. The website is getting a major upgrade, which is kind of why it hasn't been refreshed in a while. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to hearing your questions. Yeah, this is going to be a short video. But hey, it's better than being Dan Octo1 or Rogue Amp and disappearing for a year. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Leo. Don't forget to subscribe to the PC Security channel. And as always, stay informed, stay secure. Stay informed, stay secure. And as always, stay informed, stay secure. GoPro, stop recording.